Kilauea is an active shield volcano in the Hawaiian island. You see exactly behind the active volcano, which is the most recent eruption, began on June 7, 2023, in the early morning hours after a series of earthquakes. Prior to this, Kilauea had erupted on September 29, 2021, when several vents began to erupt lava within Halema'uma'u, a pit crater in the volcano's summit caldera, and ended on March 7, 2023. Located along the southeastern shore of the Big Island of Hawaii, the volcano is between 210,000 and 280,000 years old and emerged above sea level about 100,000 years ago. Historically, it is most active of the 5 volcanoes that together from Hawaii Island. Kilauea is also one of the most active volcanoes on Earth. Like all Hawaiian volcanoes, Kilauea was formed as the Pacific tectonic plate moved over the Hawaiian hotspot in the Earth's underlying mantle. The Hawaiian island volcanoes are the most recent evidence of this process that, over 70 million years, has produced the 6,000 km long Hawaiian Emperor's seamount chain. Kilauea is one of 5 subaerial volcanoes that make up the island of Hawaii, originated from the Hawaiian hotspot. The oldest volcano on the island, Kohala, is more than a million years old, and Kilauea, the youngest, is believed to be between 3,000 and 6,000 years ago. Prehistoric eruptions. Geologists have dated and documented dozens of major eruptions over the volcano's long history, bridging the long gap between Kilauea's oldest known rock and only extremely recent written records and historical observation. Historical lava flows from the volcano are generally recovered by scientists in one of 3 ways. The oldest flows, dating back 275,000 to 225,000 years. Ecology. Because of its position more than 3,000 kilometers from the nearest continental landmasses, the island of Hawaii is one of the most geographically isolated landmasses on Earth. This turn has strongly influenced its ecology. The majority of the species present on the island are endemic to it and can be found nowhere else on Earth, the result of an isolated evolutionary lineage sheltered from external biotic influence. This makes its ecosystem vulnerable both to invasive species and human development, and an estimated third of the island's natural flora and fauna has already gone extinct. Kilauea's ecological community is additionally threatened by the activity of the volcano itself. Lava flows often overrun sections of the volcano's forests and burn them down, and volcanic ash distributed by explosive eruptions often smother local plants' life. The surface is hot here. Today, Kilauea is visited by roughly 2.6 million people annually. Thank you, everyone.